We're making almond milk. We're going to strain. Okay. So we're making several batches apparently. Okay. We're going to dump all of these in here. And add a splash of some a lot of vanilla apparently. Not much. Okay, there we go. I didn't have the lid on right. To nut milk. Start. That's all. Oh my god, it's so good. And now you have freshly made almond milk. You can use this thing to make all different things. It's a juicer, soy milk, nut milk, a milkshake, boil water, oat milk, rice paste, and it has a self-cleaner. Why buy it in the store? Whenever literally all you would have to buy to make this, if you didn't want to add vanilla or maple syrup, all you have to buy literally is almonds. And I still have a crap ton left over. Like, I still have quite a few left over. I'm going to make a whole other batch. So I'm going to have a full one of these and probably one of these and a half. And that was 1 cup of almonds. So make your almond milk at home, guys. It's literally so easy. We're making almond